Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Evangeline. I know it's been a long time since I made a sit down video. Is mainly because I've been held up with a lot of stuff lately, and I will be telling you all what's happening in my life lately, and that's the reason why I just wanted to make a video. Anyway, so if you all watched my okay, anyway, something exciting that you know anyway, so if you watched my previous video, the gym haul video, at the end I would have told you all that there's something that I have to come and tell you all. So something that I've been keeping away from everybody, like most of them, especially on social media. So I kind of took my own time, working on it and stuff. And right now, it's the right time for me to come here and, just talk about it. So yeah, it's actually pretty exciting for me, personally. So yeah. Okay, so talking about it, drum roll. I will be flying abroad to do my master's. Yeah. So yes, guys, so I will be flying abroad to do my master's. If you're wondering which country, again, that is a surprise. I won't be revealing it anytime soon. Probably in my future videos, I guess. I want to keep that, as a surprise and not reveal it in this video. Okay, let's take it slow, one by one. Okay, so yeah, so that will be happening next month, July. I will be flying next month, so I just have very less time to stay here and enjoy and stuff like that. Yeah, I usually don't stay at anybody's place, and
stop the cap.
Actually stay away from my family is actually gonna be a new experience, obviously, but also pretty challenging, kind of like an emotional roller coaster. A lot of things that's happening, and I am pretty excited about it right now. You all can see I'm actually stuttering. I'm like, what do I talk? What do I talk? What do I tell him? So yes, guys. So this is one thing that I've been wanting to tell you all for the longest time, but I kind of took time away from the social media, because I just had a lot of work and, things, was just a lot of things were on my plate, and, I just had to work on it. And right now I'm free, although I do have a lot of stuff, especially, packing, shopping, stuff like that. So there's a lot of videos that it's going on its way. So please stay tuned and, watch all my videos. So I will be vlogging pretty much everything, like shopping, packing, each and everything. And I will also be showing you all things that I packed and things that I shopped. I'm going to make sure it's going to be fun and entertaining. And I hope you all get entertained as well. So please stay tuned, guys. I'm also planning to make this as a series since it's going to be my journey. So I was like, why not make this as a series? So I hope I hope this idea works, but let's see. Anyway, so please stay tuned, guys. A lot of videos coming ahead. It's going to be super, super, super fun. Yeah, guys, so that's about it. This was the news that I, kept, away from y'all for the longest time. But since it's all revealed, so let's start with the process, and I will be uploading videos that is related to this journey. Stay tuned and watch my videos. Thank you for watching my video for so long, and I'm so happy to share this here with y'all. And yeah, so please do the formalities, share and subscribe. And also, comment on below on, things that I need to post and stuff so that I might get certain ideas. So yeah, guys, that's about it. And thank you for watching till the end. So bye.